Dear fellows, myself Muhammad Oman, and you're watching my YouTube channel. I have made a project which is a console-based project, and the topic of my project is academy management system. So first of all, I will show you my code of my project. This is simple code. I have used some header files. I have used simple things, for example, simple structure. I have used some conditions, for example, if else, switch statements, and some for loops, and arrays, file handling, 2D array. I have used just simple things to make it understandable, because this is my first semester project of programming fundamental PF. So I have used some header files over here, and after that this is a code of I have write commits with each step. I try my best to make commits with each step, so you can understand, you will feel easy to understand each and every step. So this is the code of my project. You can see simple code. You can see this is a very simple. I have used some functions, some animation functions, and some loops, like for loop, while loop, do while loop, and some other things like this, file handling. I also use file handling. Here you are saying that here I use loops, while loop, do while, for loop, and some conditions. Here is a character function, and all the stuff that I have used. This is a simple project you can easily understand. So the purpose of making this project was to make myself able to explain all my coding, simple coding of my first semester to all other students. So this is a very simple, you can say, project. I have tried my best to make it as simple as I can. So you can see this is the code of my project. Here is my code of my project. Again, I have used some functions, some loops, some arrays, like array, 2D array, 1D array or 2D array, which means one dimensional array and two dimensional array, some functions, some prototypes, some loops, etc. So this is a code. This all code is not too much lengthy. I guess it is up to 4 to 5 to 600 lines. This is a simple project, not too much hard, too much tough. You can easily understand. So this was all my code. So let's move on towards output. So here we can use simply F11, and we can also enter from here. So this is compiling, and so this is the simple output of my project. You can see over here, welcome to academy management system. So let's press any key to. So here we have two options, first student and other is teacher or admin. You can say I have, first of all I have to enter as a student. So student username, for example, username is Noman, simple, and password is, I think, Noman 384. okay, I'm using password Noman 384. So enter your roll number. I have already stored some of my roll numbers using file handling. Here using roll number 99. So open dashboard. Oh wow, welcome SN. The roll number 99 was assigned to SN, and he can check all, he can view all these things. First of all, I have to enter any choice. I will choose one for checking my result. This is the result of SN. You can see over here, and I can press any key to move back. So again, I came back to my dashboard. Here can I use 2 to check my grade. SN has got C grade. Not bad. So again I will press enter. So here I can also check my syllabus. Here syllabus, English, math, science, second language, and computer. Again I'm pressing enter to move back. Here I can check also my attendance. This is the attendance of SN, good attendance, 90%. And you can also change your personal data, like your password and your name, etc. So this was a dashboard, or you can say very beautiful dashboard for student. And now I will move towards the admin or teacher dashboard. So I have to press 7 to move back. Logging out, I have log out. this. So again I'm compiling, and so execute and compile, equal compile and run, we can say, simple. So again the dashboard is appearing. Now we choose teacher dashboard. So this is I have tried my best to use simple animation to make as code easier as I can for you. So here again two options will be appear. If I will press enter, now I will touch enter 2 for teacher. Alright, me username for example, teacher name is Noman. Teacher name is Noman, for example, Noman Sial. Okay, and I think double press enter. So their option was password was I think removed. This is a very beautiful, very attractive dashboard for teacher. So teacher can add any student. For example, I'm a teacher, I can add any student. For I'm entering choose one. So enter roll number of teacher student should, I think, one roll number. His roll number will be 1, and enter name. No name will be I will enter the name Faisal, Faisal, Faisal. I have interest in Faisal. Enter the marks of English. I think he's got English in 76, 90, 45, 77, 98, 66, and saving data. His data has been saved successfully. Now I can view all the student data or record that I have saved previously, and I have saved recently. So I will press 2 to check my all students. This is the data of my all student. I have recently added data of FSL. So FSL has 64% and he have C grade. So that SN has grade got A grade. So this was all simple project. I have tried my best to explain as simple as I can. So this was all from my side, and I can move back, press execute. So I'm again came back to my code. So this was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. May Allah Pak bless you. Allah Hafiz.